In our previous video, we covered the basics of NIV therapy. Now let's learn how to properly use, clean, and maintain your BPAP machine to ensure effective treatment. Assemble the tubing to the mask and the BPAP machine. Connect one end of the tubing to the mask and the other end to the BPAP machine. Ensure all connections are secure. If you require extra oxygen while using the BPAP machine, insert the oxygen connector port between the tubing and the machine. If you are using a humidifier with the BPAP machine, fill the humidifier with water up to the recommended level before connecting to the machine. Ensure that the humidifier chamber is properly sealed. Then, connect it carefully to the main unit. Before moving the machine, always empty the humidifier chamber first to prevent water damage to the electrical components. Connect the machine to an electrical power socket. Once connected, the BPAP machine will power on automatically. To achieve a proper mask fit, undo the Velcro fasteners on both sides of the mask. Hold both straps evenly, one in each hand, and pull the straps simultaneously to ensure balanced tightening. Secure the Velcro fasteners once you have the desired fit. The mask should feel snug and tight enough to prevent significant air leaks, but not uncomfortable. Start the BPAP machine as per your user manual for powering on. After starting your machine, feel for escaping air around the mask edges by placing your palms on each side of the mask and listening for any whistling or wind-like sounds. You should feel minimal air escape. Some airflow from the front of the mask is normal. This is the exhalation port working as designed. If you detect significant air leaks from the sides or the top, gently adjust the straps on both sides gradually until the leaks are minimized. You may temporarily stop the machine as per your machine brand instructions and remove the mask for necessary breaks, such as using the bathroom. Resume using the machine when you return to bed. Now that you understand how to properly use your BPAP machine, let's learn how to keep it clean and well-maintained.